Hi guys, this is Snow. A while ago, I uploaded a video about a Russian YouTuber who's been copying my Java 2D game tutorial. Since then, I've been posting multiple updates in the community section of this channel, but in case you missed them, here's a summary of what happened. So first, the conclusion. YouTube terminated his channel and his YouTube account for multiple copyright violations. So the channel is gone along with his videos. If you just want to know the conclusion, that's it. But if you want to know how and why it ended up in this way, I will explain what happened, because there were several developments. Also, I have a favor to ask. If you leave a comment and express your opinion, please watch this entire video first. Many people left comments on my previous video, and I noticed that quite a few people were missing the point. Like, oh, he's just translating your videos for Russian people, so there is nothing wrong about that. Yeah, but that was not the point of my video. Translating content itself is not necessarily a bad thing. I understand it would bring some benefits to people in Russia, and I said that in the video. This gave me the impression that they didn't watch the entire video. I know that's the internet, but still, it was a bit of a surprise that so many people hastily come to their conclusion and express their views without checking the whole context. The point of the argument was he did it without asking permission, without giving any credit to the original creator, and tried to conceal the fact by filtering comments, giving misleading answers to his viewers, and cutting communication with me. Also, he was distributing my graphical assets, sound effects, and 2D tile editor, the things that I've been asking everyone not to redistribute without my permission. Anyway, here's what happened. After I uploaded my previous video, he uploaded sort of an answer video. In this video, he finally publicly admitted that he's using my content and tried to justify his action by saying he tried to contact me, but my email address was not listed, so he had no choice but to start uploading videos without getting permission. This is simply not true. My email address has always been listed since 6 years ago. In fact, many of my viewers have contacted me by using this address during these 6 years. Also, I always put this message next to the download link to my assets. If you want to use my assets to create your own public content, please contact me via Twitter or email. Both links are in the About section. He was distributing my assets and 2D tile editor on his own Google Drive. That means he clicked this download link at some point. Then he should have seen my message. In any case, if he really tried, it shouldn't have been hard to locate my contact info, so his rationale sounded like an excuse. Also, in this video description, which was written in English, he kept misspelling my name and never spelled it correctly. It was unlikely he still didn't know my channel name after all this happened. If he says he respects me, he could at least check the name and spell it correctly, or even copy and paste it. However, there was also a positive development. Around this time, he started to add this line to his video descriptions. Original Snow. It's kind of a vague description, but at least he started to acknowledge the original creator. Also, his answer video was a bit disappointing. Still, I appreciated he decided to do it. At this point, I started to think that maybe he can continue making his videos as long as he makes clear who the original creator is. But there were still things that I wanted him to fix for that. So I sent him an email and asked him to agree to the following conditions. Not merely add a line original Rice-No in the description, but add a link to my channel as well. Stop blocking my comments so I can leave a comment on his videos if necessary. Stop filtering my channel name so viewers can mention my channel name on his videos. Stop distributing my graphical assets, sound effects, and 2D tile editor on his Google Drive. If he will use my 2D tile editor in his future videos or suggest his viewers use it, make sure to mention that the editor was developed by me, not him. If he doesn't agree with these terms or breaks the agreement later, I will take further action, including copyright claims. If he agrees and follows these conditions thereafter, I consider this issue resolved. I waited for 7 days, but he didn't reply and didn't take any action regarding the terms I presented. And then he started uploading videos again without answering my message. He uploaded 4 videos that were also copying my tutorial, and the next day he uploaded another 4 videos. So I understood that he has no intention to communicate with me anymore. He left me no choice, and I submitted copyright claims as I stated in my previous video and in the terms I presented to him. As a start, I targeted 2 of his videos. I chose 2 videos because 3 strikes mean the termination of his channel, and I thought I should at least give him a chance to avoid the worst situation. The YouTube copyright team contacted me and asked me to provide further information, so I gathered information and sent them back. The next day, YouTube approved both of my claims and removed the targeted videos. So he lost 2 videos and got 2 strikes, 1 more strike to lose his channel. Or so I thought. Actually, I was kind of misunderstanding the situation here. It seems the first approved claim gets treated as just a warning to the uploader, so it doesn't get counted as a strike. So at this point, he got a warning and 1 strike. But in any case, he lost 2 videos. Seeing the result, I had no doubt that my further claims will also be approved because there were videos that have even higher similarity rates. But I decided to wait and see how he reacts first. If he removed all of those copied videos immediately, he could still save his channel and other videos that he had uploaded. But a few hours later, he re-uploaded the deleted 2 videos by adding a slight change and a new commentary. This puzzled me because they were essentially the same videos, so I could surely take them down again and he would get another strike. Honestly, I had no idea what he was thinking. But the action indicated that he has no intention to change himself. So I submitted 2 more copyright claims. A few days later, my 3rd copyright claim got approved. I thought this was the 3rd strike for him, but as I mentioned earlier, the first one wasn't counted, so this was actually his 2nd. So his channel was still alive. And around this point, he started adding the link to my channel, although he was still blocking me from his channel and filtering comments and distributing my assets. But anyway, it was too late. A few days later, my 4th copyright claim got approved and YouTube terminated his channel, as well as his YouTube account. There are many happy collaboration examples on YouTube, and this also could have been one of those, but I think they can be achieved by paying enough respect to the original creator and through proper communication. But unfortunately, he lacked both. It was unfortunate, but he missed the chance to amend it and brought this on himself. The only thing he needed to do was send an email and agree to the conditions I presented, which weren't difficult at all. Thank you again for your support. So many people commented on this issue and offered their support. Someone who wishes to remain anonymous offered to make Russian subtitles for my video. Thanks to him, the part 1 video has now Russian subtitles. I thank YouTube copyright team for checking this matter thoroughly and making the right decision. I also want to say thank you to all of the Russian viewers who sympathized with my situation and provided various insights regarding how things work in their country. No one wants to hear bad things about your own countrymen, but you guys calmly saw things not emotionally but objectively and provided mature perspectives. Not something everyone can do. So, спасибо. Raising your voice and fighting among people who are insensitive to the creator's effort or pessimistically suggest giving up because you can't do anything about it is sometimes not easy, but you guys gave me the power to keep standing, so thank you. Hopefully I can also help people in similar situations in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in my next tutorial.